Now, guys, we are going to create clothes for our creature, our alien creature, something similar to this, but not the same one, because it's generated and it will take too long to understand the structure of this one. As you can see, I've just imported our creature in Marvelous Designer. We just need to modify already existing t-shirt. I'm gonna double click to this one, overwrite, proceed. As you can see, it's the same size. Now let's start modifying it. Now let's select the cloth and move a little bit closer to the body. And press space bar. Okay, let's change a little the colors. I will move this to another place. Let's change color to something more visible. I think it works. Also, let's make it a little bit glossy. One more time, let's see how it works. As you can see on this image, we got two pieces of cloth. The first one is the cover, the main part, and also we got another piece under it. Now we're gonna duplicate this part on the top of this one, and after we will add on that part this piece. But first of all, let's modify it, make it a little bit shorter. And also let's modify this part. Also, let's try to change the material tag. From this part, press it, and let's select something more heavy. We need to find the right one. maybe this one. Let's copy and remove these parts. And also let's make it a little bit bigger. Now we're gonna put that here. And also we need to change the layers. The under one will be 1 and this will be 2. Now let's simulate. As you can see, it works. The only thing we need to do is to make this part a little bit smaller. Now let's make it smaller. And let's combine these two together. Merge these two. Also these two. Now we need to create that piece, and we're gonna do it. We just need to create one part, rectangular part, and we need to make the wide of it similar to something like 18. Okay, let's see. It's 28. bit here, and let's connect this part with free sewing, because we need to connect this one part with two parts. And then this part to this part. I think it will work correctly. Okay, and let's mirror. Copy and mirror past here. We need to do the same things here. And of course we need to also convert these parts to curve, and also we need to, okay, let's now just connect and we will see what we are going to do after. Okay. I think it works fine. We need just to add a few things, and I think we will take this mesh out from Marvelous Designer. Let's try to forget to add that these parts are on layer 2 because they are connected with these parts. I think it's fine. Let's add more details. We will see how it turned out. I think it really looks good. Just meet these parts. I like the asymmetry. So let's try to remesh it all. Let's see the wireframe. Cool. And also we need to add a little bit more details. We will change this to 5. And let's see what happens. And finally it's done. After a minute of simulation is done. Also, as you can see, I added thickness after that simulated, and now it looks more natural. And we need just to export this and start sculpting on it. Cool, let's move to the next step.